crazy mother.
Good morning, everyone. Hope you've all had a great week, and I hope you're enjoying your long weekend. But today I want to tell you about one of the things that drove me nuts about having the Victory, and it's these side panels here. Now, these things are awful. They have these pins on them on the inside. They're plastic, hard plastic, and they fit in these little holes, and they really suck. And these things fall off all the time. So I got sick and tired of that this weekend and decided to buy some neodymium magnets, a ton of them. You can get them off Amazon. I will leave a link in the description of which ones I got. Buy yourself some epoxy that goes with plastic and steel, or just plastic, it'll do. And then you cut off the little tabs and you put these magnets on here. And it'll take a few of these magnets, usually 2 on each, and then 1 on the bike frame itself where the pins used to go. And then you just slide it back on once everything is all dry. Please make sure you wear gloves. If not, you'll be like me and get yourself fingerprinted with the epoxy. Yeah, don't touch your bike and mess up your paint. But anyway, you put it on. You see how nice and tight this is, even with those magnets, where you can see I'm literally rocking the bike trying to pull it off. And they are really strong. The more magnets you put on, the stronger it gets. So do that. This will turn out great for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know how I did it in detail, just let me know in the description and I'll go through it all. Once again, easy. Take it off with one hand, put it back on with one hand. No fuss, no muss. All right? Hey, thanks once again, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the road.